9:16 a.m. on March 5th. 9:16 a.m.? Right, okay. Well, let's look at the next one. This was the second precursor of the earthquake in the Chang'an, which happened at 9:11 a.m. on March 6, 1977. Their time difference between the two precursors was almost 1 day, 24 hours, 5 minutes to figure out according to the periodicity we got on 9:06 a.m. on March 7th. We considered that an earthquake would occur around 9:06 a.m. on March 7, 1977. Okay, well, let's look at the next drawing. Now, here is the next example showing on screen. Let me mention that the Chang'an earthquake a little bit more. Now, the time difference between the actual occurrence time of the Chang'an earthquake and the calculated occurrence time was about 38 minutes. We cannot see the wave of the Chang'an earthquake because the bedrock earth current recorder cannot record earthquake waves. Now, it shows on the screen that a precursor of another earthquake which appeared on November 14, 1976. It is a precursor of the Ninghe earthquake with a magnitude of 6.9. The Ninghe earthquake was a large aftershock of the Tangshan earthquake with a large magnitude of 7.8. Okay, let's see the next drawing. This is the second precursor that happened at 0741 on November 15th. The time difference between the actual occurrence time of the earthquake in Ninghe and the calculated occurrence was about 1 hour and 22 minutes. Oh, wow, that's so accurate. Yes, so I said in an article published recently that if earthquake prediction was made well, it would be more accurate than weather forecasts. The scientists can't figure out what is the hour and minute it's going to rain or snow. Wait, I have another question. Just now you showed us two precursors for each earthquake, but how did you know what happened there, and how did you know these two precursors related with the earthquake? Well, there are several methods to predict epicenters. In general, I synthesize various methods for predictions. Now, I only introduce a simple method, precursor mode. For example, the Japanese earthquake. They appeared like the shape of the top of the Great Wall. When the shape came out, we knew there would be an earthquake in Japan. Another example is the Taiwan's large earthquake, which has been of recent concern to people. Well, at that period, I got some strange waves from the recorder before the Taiwan earthquakes. We knew that there'd be an earthquake in Taiwan. This is a simple method to predict epicenters. Of course, we have other methods too. There are different precursor waves for different epicenters, right? Yes, their precursor mode is different due to the difference in geological structure. This is a natural phenomenon. It's really led 100 schools of thought contend. On one hand, most seismologists say the earthquakes can't be predicted. On the other hand, Professor Liu said that earthquakes can completely be predicted. I hope this achievement can really continue to develop. It can really benefit human beings. Yes, I hope to establish an earthquake prediction station from the source of government or foundations or some popular organizations. Oh, to do earthquake predictions. It also has a huge economic benefit. Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you, Professor Liu. Thank you, everybody, for watching our show. Goodbye.